21st. I am heading to work. Normally on Mondays we don't work from home. We don't go to the office, but today we got some visitors, so we have to head to the office. Not mad about it, because then we get Friday we work from home, so that's cool. But happy Monday if you guys are seeing this. I'm supposed to be starting the 75 soft challenge, so I'm excited about that. I'm gonna do it when I get off. Do it in the evening. I drink my water all day today. What else can I do at work? Hopefully eat a decent lunch and not do it unhealthy. And later on I'll do a 45-minute workout, read, meditate, spend time with God for a little bit. And yeah, I'll put on a screen I'm doing for this challenge. Today, it's January 4th, which is a few weeks before my birthday, so that's cool. Oh, and only drink on occasions. That's what else I'm gonna do. I'm not drinking today. I'm gonna practice this little self-discipline. Not saying I have a problem, but you know, I'll have a little sip in the evening before I go to bed. But yeah, so you're gonna start the 75 soft challenge, and I can complete the challenge. So yeah, right now I'm just on the way to work. Beautiful, beautiful. It's gonna be 80 degrees today, so that's cool. Yeah, so I'm going to go ahead and close this video out. I hope I got enough footage to complete a video, but if I don't, that's okay. I'll just try again next time. All right, you guys, be sure to hit that like button, hit subscribe. Be sure to leave some comments down below, and I'll catch y'all in the next video. What's up, you guys? Welcome back to a new video. I am Nisi. Welcome. Hi, how are you doing? I just made it home. About to get started on my 45-minute workout for this 75 soft challenge. I'm just gonna work out in my room. I'm gonna pull up a 10K steps on YouTube and just knock it out. I really don't feel like it, but you're at your best when you don't feel like doing something. So when you do it, you have to give yourself praise and celebrate your moment, because you know, it could be easy for me to get in this bed, turn on Netflix, and then I'm gonna like regret it in the morning. So that's not good. So we're gonna go ahead and find a YouTube workout and get on with this challenge. And for anybody that's starting the challenge, good luck to you. Remember, do not give up. You are only at your best when you do it when you don't feel like it. So that's a little word for today. Good job. All right, you guys, I think I'm gonna go with Grow with Joe 10,000 step fast walking workout, 1 hour. I'm supposed to do only 45 minutes, but if I do 1 hour, that's even better. So let's knock this out. Or let's see if there's a 45-minute one real quick. Let's see. Okay, I just did a search for 45 minutes. 45 plus. Yeah, I'm gonna just do the Grow with Joe one. I did it before and I really love it. Super fast paced, but let's get it. Alright, you guys, as you can see from the sweat, I didn't get to 10,000 steps, but I did get to 5,442 steps, which is not bad for my first day back into this. Whew, if I can focus. So that's what I did today, clocking in. Hopefully tomorrow I can get to 10K steps. That's the goal, but I did complete a 45-minute workout. Well, it felt like it. According to her video, it's at 27 minutes. I'm gonna take it at baby steps because it's kind of hot in my room right now. I don't have my fan, and I don't want to overexert myself. So I feel like I did a good job. I did something rather than nothing. But, whew, yeah, I really didn't feel like doing this, and I'm so happy that I did it. I did it. Y'all wouldn't even know what I'd be doing right now if I wasn't working out. So I'm really proud of myself. Next would be reading, which I think I'm gonna do that at bedtime, which would be better. I can get some stuff done. Read 10 pages of the Atomic Habits. I started the book, but I think I'm gonna start over because I kind of forgot what I started to read. So I'm gonna start over in that book, try to complete it, and then find my next read, because that's one thing I kind of want to start doing more as well, is reading more. We all haven't been in school and God knows how long, so it's kind of important just to bring in that fundamentals of reading, get to learn more vocabulary, be able to pace yourself when you speak. So yeah, it's very important with me. And also what I'm adding in, I'm gonna log in, excuse me, I'm gonna log into my Bible app and read the verse of the day, which I don't think I read it this morning, but I'm gonna read it today, read a couple scripts in the Bible, spend time with God, and go to bed. Maybe shower and then go to bed, but whew, I'm tired, y'all. What's up, you guys? Today is day 2 of the 75 soft challenge. I'm proud of myself. I made it to the 2nd day, and I'm gonna keep going. I just got off work. I am making my son dinner. Hubby's at work, daughter's chilling, and yeah, so the routine is get the kid fed. He just got home from daycare, get him situated so I can knock out a quick 45-minute workout before bedtime when it's about 6:30 at night. So I like try to do that, just keep me from not getting in this bed and watching Netflix. But yeah, so I like to just come in, get right at it, because you know how that goes. We gotta get right to it when you get in the house, or else you're not gonna do it at all. So yeah, his food's almost ready. I'm gonna go and feed him, and we're gonna knock this workout out. Oh, on the other stuff, I didn't eat healthy. I had pizza for lunch, but that's okay. I mean, at least I'm checking everything else off. I'm reading, I'm working out, trying to drink at least a gallon of water. And what else is it? Oh, and I'm not drinking. So yeah, the eating part is gonna come. It's gonna come maybe in the 30th day. We'll see. What's up, you guys? We are back. I just got off work, riding in traffic, and just got a few things to get off my chest. It's just after my 2 days I've been on this challenge, just been reflecting, and a lot of things just been opening up lately. Just realizing what I will tolerate and what I will not allow anymore is being a helping hand, because I'm all about mental health, make sure everybody just stays on track, even myself, because I can't nobody to kick me in my butt to be like, hey, you slipping up a little bit, get back on track. It's always been like, you know, I'm the one that got my head on my shoulders, but when there was a time I was down, everybody used me, beat me to the ground, and ran away. And unfortunately, it showed me like, who are my real friends and real family too at the same time. just goes to say that when people don't want your help, stop helping them. Help the ones that really want your help, because at the end of the day, that's what they want. If they don't, I would want somebody to kick me in the butt, like, you slipping up, you drinking too much, you doing that. I would want somebody to do that to me. And if they don't, that means they're not your real friends, they're not your real family. They want to see you suffer, they want to see you down, to see how they can benefit from you. And I can't go like that. But when you love hard, when you don't want to see anybody fail, you just want to be like, hey, I'm not going to talk like a pretty princess, but I'm going to talk like crazy to get you to understand. But sometimes that's not the right approach, and I'm learning that as well. But just focus on yourself, keep moving forward, and just wish for the best for these people that want to push you away. Like, you're doing too much, you're calling me out too much. I didn't even want you to find out, but it's like, nah, like, I see through the cracks. But traffic's moving now. Just got off work. I'm off tomorrow, thank God, Thursday. And I just wanted to record this little snippet. Just keep believing in what you believe in. If you're on your own journey, your own self-healing journey, keep doing that for yourself. Not everybody's gonna like it. And then don't tell everybody everything, because I feel like I don't talk too much. I just feel like everybody will be on board with the same ideas I have, but boy, am I wrong about that. I'm so wrong about that. Not everybody's gonna be on board. Don't tell everybody your business. Don't tell your mom, don't tell your sister, don't tell anybody. Because as soon as you do something wrong, you're the bad guy. You're not helping them. You're never there for them when you know what you've done for these people. But we got this, y'all. All right, y'all, I'm gonna hop on this highway. Catch y'all in the next clip. What's up, you guys? So we made it home. Yeah, I almost didn't work out. Today's day 3. I almost went straight to bed, but I gotta stay determined. And I'm gonna knock out 50 squats, 50 push-ups, and 50 sit-ups before I go to bed, and read a couple pages of my book, because I can't go out like that. I can't go for 2 days and just stop because everybody's home or I feel weird. But you gotta keep going no matter what. Keep doing what you're doing no matter what. And yeah, so let's knock out this day 3. I gave you guys 2 days already. Can't stop now. So let's go.